What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? Just gonna be solving some Leetcode questions today. Alright, and the main reason I'm doing this is just to test out my new Neovim plugin, which is called as Leetvim. Link is in the description if you guys want to check it out. Alright, feel free. And the main reason I'm doing this is because again, I just want to test it out. You can look into all of this, all the instructions on how you can do it, but that's okay. And I'm also going to be showing you how, you can see I've already have it set it up right here. That's how you can set it up. Okay, now I'll just show you by solving Leetcode questions first. Before you do that, you can just do it by pressing space LT or any other shortcut you have assigned, letter key and an LT, and you just put the language that you desire. Currently, you know, it supports Python, but right now I'm going to just use Python. And let's say the problem number, let's say I use problem number 400 or something, and it's going to fetch that problem, and it's just going to get the template of that particular problem, and I can continue coding and then looking at the Leetcode question. So let me just open up Leetcode and let me just try solving a random problem so you can get practical experience on it. Random number generator. I'm just gonna generate a random number. So 3641, 3641. Generate 631. 631. Okay, I don't think I can. It's Leetcode Premium. 1486. 1486. I've already, oh wait, I have not done that. XOR operation in an array. It's an easy question, I guess. Fine, why not do it? Okay, you're given an integer and an integer star. Define an array where nums, okay, where nums of I is equal to start plus 2. Okay, return the bitwise XOR of all the elements. Okay, that's fine, I guess. It's pretty simple in my opinion. It's just a simple case of bit manipulation. Yeah, I guess just go with the bit manipulation technique, I guess. I can think of an O of n operation for this. Yeah, so this is 1486, so I'm just gonna do LT Python 1800, what is it, 1486. Okay, and that's gonna generate a template for me like this. And now based on the template, let me just get rid of that. Okay, and this is my code that I have to work on. And since this is nothing but n and start, so I'm just gonna, okay, n comma start. Okay, I think let's say we have, we can let's just have this as our result. Result is just going to be where we start at, and let's say for I in the range 1 comma n, for every element from 1 to n, we can simply just do the XOR operator for each result like this. I think this is the, yeah, this is the 0 index, so I'll just copy this. Right, start plus 2, right? I guess that works. And that's pretty much it. I just return the result. All right. Let me check. What's the problem number? 1486. Python 31486.py 8. So for this one, it should be 8. Let's say 4 and 3. 4 and 3. So it should be 8 again. Okay. Yep, it's 8. I can just copy this part and code. Boom. If I just run this, I feel like it should be correct. So there you have it. It's pretty efficient as well. That's great. Let me actually do one more, because this was an easy question. 2788. 2788. Okay. 2788. 2788. 2788. Okay. Bruh, why am I getting such easy question, bruh? Let's see. Bruh, this is just super simple again. What do we split strings? Words. Is it always splitting by dot? Okay, it takes in a separator. Okay, that's pretty simple. I can pretty much do this really easily. What is it? 2788. Python 2788. It's not gonna be the most prettiest, but it works. Oh, okay. It takes words and a separator. I'm just gonna take this words and put them right here. And we can just simply we can take words. Let's have a result list, and I guess for each words, just foreign words, you can just pretty much do like. Actually, I can just simply do split separator. I guess I can do that. So foreign words, yeah. I think I can just return this. I wonder. I want to try doing this in a single line because it's just so simple. So I dot split separator. No, wait. And then it's just going to be a list. Okay, never mind. Let me actually try returning this actually. Why not? 2788.py. Yeah, it's gonna return a list like this. Okay. I know how to go by that. So one thing I can do is just have all of these being extended with each other. It's not really a big issue. So I'll just do what else? Wait. Okay. Instead of having a particular, okay. One thing I can do is just by I don't know if it's okay. I feel like I could, but I want to make it as efficient as possible. I feel like it would be O of n if I were to go like through a brute force method, but I feel like it's fine, I guess. Okay. So I'll just have a result. Okay. Result as this. Just might not do it the manual way. For ein for I in words, and let's say we have each word, which is W. W is I dot split separator, and for each J in that W, right? If J happens to not equal to an empty string, only then we're gonna have to append each in the result. So that result dot append the J value. In the end, we can just simply return the result. Yep, works like a charm. Let me try a different one. Easy and problem, yes. What was this one? Let me try this one. Okay, I guess I can just present this solution. It should work. Okay, yeah, it works. It's not really that efficient, but it's okay. I'll just do one more because I was just getting easy questions. 267. I want to be able to get a little harder question, so I can kind of at least do something. 267, bruh. So Leetcode Premium 713. Ooh, subarray product less than K. Okay. Given an array of integer nums and an integer K, return the number of contiguous subarrays where the product of all elements in the subarray is strictly less than K. Nums is equal to that. Oh, okay. What does this mean? Okay, if my K happens to be 100, let's say we have 10 product, okay. Interesting. I think this looks like a sliding window problem. Not entirely sure. I feel like we can do with sliding window. Subarray, right? Most likely a sliding window. Guess that works. I feel like I can do this in O of N even. Yeah. As if it's O of N. But then, like if I'm I guess I'll just do this. So 713, right? So Python 713, boom. And now that we have that, I'm gonna paste all of this here. Nums comma K. Okay, I think we can start. I mean, there's probably, okay, can do that. So let me get like the left pointer and the right pointer. That's gonna equal to 0 and 0, I guess. And since I want them to both start at the same time, then we also have the okay, and we can also get the product as well as the count, even both of them, because product is going to start at 0 and the count is going to be at, okay, just to see when the correct indentation or it's not. Okay, now what we can do is, let's say if the right side is less than the length of the nums, only then we're going to be putting it. So let's actually have the product now equal to the nums of the right side, and let's actually make sure to check if that product happens to be greater than or equal to k, because we don't want that to happen, right? Only then we're gonna have to then get the quotient of it with respect to this, and then we just do L plus equal to 1. Yeah. And after that, we can simply just do R plus equal to 1, or even, no, I think we can also, yeah, we can even do count, right? This count that we have. So it's plus equal to 1 as well. 1, but then it's also dependent on where it is. So just do times R minus L. Yeah. Now that we have L and that R is less than or equal to 1, now we can simply just return the count itself. I guess that's how it works. Now if I just do this, oh, wrong problem. What is it? 713. Okay, 713, 4. Okay, it's supposed to be 4. No, it is not. Why is it not being 4? Oh, I just realized there's also an edge case here. So what if k happens to be less than or equal to 1? And then we just return 0, I guess, nothing else. Now it should be good to go. Alright, I think practically looked at all of these things. Alright, should be, let me try this again. 4 again. This should be, okay, this should be 8 for this one. Why is it 4? Yeah, this is correct. So for every r less than the length of the nums, product is nothing but the nums of the right side. Yes. And you have to make sure that product is actually greater than k, and if it is, then you have to divide it by the nums of the left side and then increase the left part. Okay, and we have to slide that window. Okay. Then we can simply use count plus equal to, oh, I see the problem. I think this should be proper. Yep. Yeah, now we get 8. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is supposed to be 0. Should get 0, boom. So I guess, yeah, I guess we practically got everything that I need, right? So let's check this out. And there it is. Not really efficient, but it's okay. But yeah, that was the whole point of making this video. So I just wanted to showcase this plugin, how you can use it. I feel like I could make some improvements. I can add more languages to it, add some Java, add some C++. Maybe even have this test case also there, you know. So I thought I'd just include all these test cases there itself, but then we'll see. You guys let me know in the comments. Alright, see you guys. Peace.